Hi guys, it's Lamm with Commerce Home Mortgage. This is the monthly market update for the month of March. We're just getting to the end of the first quarter, and I got to tell you, it's been a pretty brutal quarter in the housing market in California, especially in Northern California. You know, not only have we been dealing with a torrential downpour for several months now, but we've had an extremely low inventory or homes for sale for people that are out there trying to buy a house, and they're definitely connected. So one of the things we're going to talk about today as we head into spring, everybody hoping that there's going to be more sellers coming to market, is how to write the winning offer every time. And so what we're going to focus today on is a pre-approval letter. Now, many people know what a pre-approval letter is. It's essentially going to a lender and getting pre-approved. They're going to go through your credit, your income, all of your financials to make sure that you have not only the purchase power in mind, you know what you can afford, what type of loans you qualify for, but also that you have that pre-approval letter to accompany any offer that you write. And right now, with the way the market is, this couldn't be more important. I was just talking to a guy the other day that called us. This is a seller of a local development, and he got 3 offers on one of his brand new houses. And one of the offers was from a lender that he didn't have a lot of trust in. And he not only required that the buyer that chose to use this lender increases their earnest money deposit to $5,000 non-refundable, but he's also going to charge them about $100 a day for every day that they don't close their loan on time. And so, you know, it's really important for a home buyer in a market like this to understand that when choosing a lender, it's not only important to focus on rates and fees, but it's absolutely critical that you're talking to a lender that has a good reputation with the local real estate community, because those real estate agents, when they're representing their seller, it's their job to make sure that that seller knows if it's a lender that's credible. And credible could mean a lot of different things. A lot of times what that means is it's someone local that they know, that they have a proven track record with, etc. So make sure if you're out there in the market, if you have anyone that is, you know, they know about these circumstances in our market right now, with the inventory being as low as it is, you want to make sure you have a pre-approval letter before you start looking at homes, because if you find the perfect house and you have to get a pre-approval letter and it takes a couple days, you could lose out on that opportunity. And second, that they have a pre-approval letter from a credible lender that has a lot of trust in the market that they're purchasing in. The last thing we wanted to talk about is interest rates. We talk about this every single month. I hate to sound like we're beating a dead horse here, but it's definitely an interesting topic for most people. Right now in March, rates are still very good. They're in the mid-4s. And you know, just to kind of touch on what happened back in November when Donald Trump was elected to be our president, the interest rates have gone up and really haven't seen, they've been very volatile ever since. And so currently rates are right around 4.5. As of today, being March 1st, the Dow Jones is up to 21,000 points. Definitely the highest point that it's ever been in history. And so what's happening is, as investors are pulling money out of bonds and investing in the stock market because they have, you know, a lot of hopes that the economy is going to continue to get better, it's putting some pressure on interest rates, which is what makes rates go up a little bit. So, you know, going forward this year, we do expect to see rates continue to be in that mid-4 to upper-4 range, potentially even into the 5s towards the end of the year. It's definitely not slowing home buyers down right now. Most home buyers are still, you know, of the understanding that that's still a really good rate. But if you guys have questions about this or anything else, feel free to give me a call at the office. Other than that, thank you guys for checking out this month's video blog, and I hope to talk to you soon.